Okay, in this video we're just going to have a look at two more examples of grouping in pairs. Remember, grouping in pairs are for 4 terms, and when we see 4 terms, so I can see 4 terms here for question number C. Now, we pair and we pair, but before we do this, have a good look at the numbers here. Hopefully you can see they're all even numbers. I've got 4, 16, 6, and 24. Well, they're all going to be divisible by 2. So remember, whenever we're factorizing, we always look for highest common factor first. I can definitely take out a 2. Can I take out 4? Let's see. So is 4, 16, 6, and 24, those 4 numbers all in the 4? No, I can't, because I can't take out a 4 because 6 isn't in the 4 times tables. But I can take out a 2. So remember, if you can take out the highest common factor, take it out. So here I'm going to take out the 2. That's going to leave me with 2xy, and then I'm going to halve everything. So minus 8xz plus 3wy minus 12wz. Okay, now that 2 is just going to hang out the front. I've still got 4 terms in this bracket, so I'm still going to group in pairs here for inside this bracket to try and factorize further. Okay, but it's really important, just always have a look out for that highest common factor first. So, okay, so first pair here, I can take out 2x, and that would leave me with y take z. I'm just going to write the 2 out the front with the open bracket out the front. And then for this back bit here, I've got 3 and 12. Highest times table that has 3 and 12 is 3. And are there any letters common? Yes, there's w, so it'll be y take z. Now, let's just check. No, I've made a mistake here, haven't I? Made 2 mistakes. Hopefully you can see what they are. In what I put inside the brackets, there should be a 4 in front of that z in order to get the 8. And here there should be a 4 in front of that z in order to get the 12. Because 3 times 4 gives me the 12. Okay, now that's good. Okay, so now I've got a common factor of y take away 4z. So I'm going to go 2 and then bracket y take away 4z. And then my next bracket is going to be for the remaining factors, which are 2x plus 3w. And that's fully factorized there. Okay, sometimes we hit a bit of a problem in our road for factorizing. So for example, this example here, the first pair I can't actually, there is no highest common factor other than 1. So all I can do for the first pair is take out a 1. Second pair I can take out a. I've got b plus 5. And you'll notice that this bit isn't the same as this bit. So I'm stuck. Sometimes that happens. And when that happens, what you need to do is you just need to rearrange the position of the terms. And always, you just need to swap 2 terms. So if you want, right, swap 2 terms. Okay. What I might do is I might swap. Let's see what happens if I swap. You can swap whichever 2 you want and see how it works, but I'm going to swap these 2. Let's see how that goes. So a squared plus 5a plus ab plus 5b. Now let's pair. Okay, so I've got a common factor of a here. I'll have a plus 5. And then this next bit here, I've got a common factor of b. And I'll have a plus 5. Well, that's nice now. Now I've got the common factor of a plus 5 I can take out. And then my remaining factors of a plus b at the back. Okay, so you might be wondering, okay, so Sir swapped the second and the 4th term. What would happen if Sir swapped, say, the 2nd and the 3rd term? Let's have a look. Let's try it again. Let's see what happens. I'm interested as well. So a squared, whoop, plus ab plus 5b plus 5a. Okay, so let's group in pairs, so let's pair them. Take out an a for the first one, a plus b. For the second one I can take out a 5, I'll get b plus a. Now interesting, a plus b and b plus a are actually the exact same thing, aren't they? It doesn't matter whether you add 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3, they're the same thing. Okay, so I can rewrite it as the second bracket there is a plus b, can't I? So let's now take out that common factor of a plus b, and then rewrite the remaining factors here, a plus 5. What you'll notice is that you get the same result. Yes, the brackets are in opposite order, but that doesn't matter. Remember, it doesn't matter if I times 3 times 5 or 5 times 3. It's equal no matter what. Okay, so the key thing is, if you can't factorize by grouping in pairs the way that it's already written, you try to swap 2 of the terms. And it doesn't really matter which 2 of the terms, you just pick 2 and you swap them. And then you try again. Okay? Just one thing, I wouldn't swap the first 2 or the back 2. The reason why is you'll end up in the same situation you were stuck in. So I would be switching one of the first 2 with one of the back 2. So swap 2 terms, one of the first 2 swapped with one of the back 2. Okay, if you want to know what I usually swap the second and the fourth. Okay. But you can also swap the second and the third or something like that. But if you want to be consistent, just keep it consistent. Swap the second and the fourth. That will help you when you do question 7. All right. All the best. Keep going with the exercise 2 to 6, all 7, column 1.